Fogged patio door glass installation and replacement in Anthem AZ is often the clearest sign that insulated seals have failed and moisture has entered the unit. When homeowners notice condensation between panes, visible haze, warped frames, or a persistent cold spot near the door, it usually means the patio door windows need replacement rather than another temporary fix, especially for homes dealing with aging patio doors Anthem systems. In Anthem Arizona homes, this problem can affect comfort, curb appeal, and efficiency all at once. Residential glass replacement services for patio doors can restore clarity, reduce heat transfer, and prevent the issue from spreading to adjacent components in older sliding systems. How to choose energy-efficient replacement windows for patio doors starts with evaluating glass package, frame material, and the sun exposure of your home. For Anthem AZ replacement windows for sliding glass patio doors, low-E glass replacement for patio doors in houses, and double-pane patio door window replacement benefits for homeowners are especially important because they help limit solar gain while improving insulation. The best patio door window installers in Anthem AZ for homeowners usually recommend insulated patio door window options for Anthem residential properties that are designed for desert temperature swings. Energy-efficient residential window replacement in Anthem AZ can also support better indoor comfort during peak summer heat. How to improve home security with replacement patio door windows is another major reason local families upgrade patio doors Anthem installations. Older patio doors with weakened glass, loose locks, or failing seals can be easier to breach and harder to maintain. Professional patio door window installation for homeowners can incorporate reinforced glass, improved locking hardware, and durable frames that better protect entry points. Licensed patio door window contractors in Anthem AZ often suggest custom patio door replacement windows for homes in Anthem, Arizona when security concerns must be balanced with style and airflow. Stronger glass and properly fitted frames also help reduce rattling and improve long-term reliability. How window replacement can lower energy bills in Anthem is closely tied to how well a patio door system resists drafts and heat exchange. Anthem AZ residential window replacement for drafty patio doors can make a noticeable difference in rooms that face strong afternoon sun or receive cool nighttime air. How residential window replacement reduces drafts in patio doors depends on seal integrity, frame condition, and accurate installation. Modern replacement windows improve patio door insulation by creating a tighter thermal barrier, which helps stabilize indoor temperatures and reduces the strain on HVAC systems. For many homeowners, that means lower utility costs and more even room comfort. Best window replacement options for sliding patio doors in Anthem homes often include vinyl replacement windows for patio doors in residential properties because vinyl offers strong insulation, low maintenance, and dependable performance in hot climates. Best materials for residential patio door window frames may also include composite or aluminum-clad options when homeowners want a different balance of strength and appearance. Replacement window styles that fit residential patio doors should match the door system's track, opening style, and architectural design. Modern patio door window designs for homes in Anthem AZ can improve function while also enhancing the overall look of the living space and backyard access. How to measure patio door windows for replacement is a step that should be done carefully to avoid costly fit issues. Homeowners in Anthem Arizona home window replacement for aging patio doors should measure width, height, and depth at multiple points because many older door frames are not perfectly square. Custom window replacement solutions for sliding patio doors are often needed when existing openings are slightly irregular or when the original glass has been discontinued. Top-rated window replacement companies serving Anthem Arizona homes will typically verify measurements on site before fabrication, which helps ensure a cleaner installation and better long-term performance. Cost of residential window replacement for patio doors depends on glass type, frame material, labor complexity, and whether the job involves installation or full replacement. How much does patio door window replacement cost in Anthem AZ can vary widely based on whether the homeowner needs damaged patio door glass panels replaced, upgraded insulated glass installed, or an entire frame system rebuilt. Affordable residential patio door replacement windows in Anthem may be available for standard-sized openings, while custom patio door replacement windows for homes in Anthem, Arizona usually cost more due to fabrication. A trusted patio door glass replacement near Anthem, Arizona homes can provide clearer estimates after inspection. Residential window replacement services in Anthem AZ for patio doors should always be selected with local climate and code requirements in mind. Local experts for residential glass and window replacement in Anthem AZ understand how desert conditions, UV exposure, and dust affect seals, finishes, and hardware. Residential energy-saving window replacements in Anthem, Arizona can be tailored to homes with west-facing patios, shaded courtyards, or expansive sliding openings. Home window upgrade services for patio doors in Anthem AZ often focus on better insulation, smoother operation, and materials that resist fading. A professional residential door and window replacement in Anthem, Arizona can improve both performance and everyday usability. How to find trusted patio door window contractors usually begins with checking licensing, installation experience, and product knowledge. Patio door window replacement contractors near Anthem, Arizona should be able to explain glass performance ratings, frame options, warranty coverage, and the best time of year for window replacement in Anthem, Arizona. Best patio door window installers in Anthem AZ for homeowners also provide clear timelines and transparent communication. Emergency residential patio door glass replacement in Anthem AZ may be needed after accidental breakage or storm damage, but even non-emergency projects benefit from careful planning and proper scheduling to avoid rushed workmanship. Home improvement tips for outdated patio door windows include replacing failing seals, upgrading to insulated glass, and choosing styles that fit the home's exterior architecture. Residential patio door window upgrade ideas for better curb appeal can include slimmer sightlines, cleaner frame finishes, and modern replacement windows that complement the backyard view. How to maintain new replacement windows in patio doors is simple but important. Clean tracks, inspect weather stripping, and keep hardware lubricated so the system continues operating smoothly. Replacement windows for damaged patio door glass panels can restore value quickly, and how to improve home value with patio door replacement windows in Anthem often comes down to better comfort, efficiency, and presentation. Signs your Anthem patio door windows need replacement often show up before a full failure, especially in older desert homes. Watch for fogged patio door glass, cracked seals, visible warping, condensation between panes, sticking sliders, and drafty patio doors that make rooms feel hotter in summer and colder in winter. Anthem AZ residential window replacement for drafty patio doors is especially valuable when the glass no longer insulates properly or when damaged patio door glass panels start affecting comfort, security, and curb appeal. How to choose energy-efficient replacement windows for patio doors depends on frame material, glazing, and installation quality. For Anthem Arizona home window replacement for aging patio doors, many homeowners compare double-pane patio door window replacement benefits, low-E glass replacement for patio doors in houses, and insulated patio door window options for Anthem residential properties. Vinyl replacement windows for patio doors in residential properties remain popular because they offer durability, low maintenance, and strong thermal performance, while modern patio door window designs for homes in Anthem AZ can also improve natural light and reduce heat transfer. Best window replacement options for sliding patio doors in Anthem homes usually include custom patio door replacement windows for homes in Anthem, Arizona, replacement window styles that fit residential patio doors, and professional patio door window installation for homeowners who want a precise fit. Homeowners searching for residential window replacement services in Anthem AZ for patio doors should also consider best materials for residential patio door window frames, especially when choosing between vinyl, composite, and other energy-efficient frame systems that support long-term performance in Arizona's climate. How window replacement can lower energy bills in Anthem is tied directly to better insulation, reduced air leakage, and improved solar control. How modern replacement windows improve patio door insulation and how residential window replacement reduces drafts in patio doors are both critical topics for homeowners dealing with rising cooling costs. Residential energy-saving window replacements in Anthem, Arizona can make a major difference, and energy-efficient residential window replacement in Anthem AZ is often one of the smartest home improvement tips for outdated patio door windows. How to find trusted patio door window contractors matters as much as the product itself. Look for licensed patio door window contractors in Anthem AZ, local experts for residential glass and window replacement in Anthem AZ, and top-rated window replacement companies serving Anthem, Arizona homes. Patio door window replacement contractors near Anthem, Arizona should offer clear estimates, professional measurement, and transparent timelines. Trusted patio door glass replacement near Anthem, Arizona homes and emergency residential patio door glass replacement in Anthem AZ are especially important when security or weather exposure becomes a concern. Cost of residential window replacement for patio doors varies based on glass type, frame condition, labor, and whether you need sliding patio door glass replacement services in Anthem AZ or full residential glass replacement services for patio doors. How much does patio door window replacement cost in Anthem AZ depends on whether the job is a simple fogged patio door glass installation and replacement in Anthem AZ or a full home window upgrade services for patio doors in Anthem AZ. Residential patio door window upgrade ideas for better curb appeal can also boost home value with patio door replacement windows in Anthem, especially when paired with affordable residential patio door replacement windows in Anthem and best patio door window installers in Anthem AZ for homeowners.